Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to edit videos on the video editing software that I use. The reason why I'm making this video is a bunch of my friends and classmates have come up to me and asked, can you teach me how to edit videos? I need this skill for a potential job that I'm applying for, so I'm like, sure, I'll just make a video on how to actually edit videos, walk them step by step, and then hopefully get them the jobs that they're looking for. With that being said, since there is so much to learn, I'm probably going to be doing at least 2 or 3 videos for this series. So I haven't made up my mind yet about that, but without further ado, let's head over to the computer. Alright everybody, here we are in Adobe Premiere Pro. This is what I use to edit all my videos. So with my SD card plugged into my computer, let's go ahead and get started by hitting New Project. It's going to have this window that pops up, just title your video, whatever you'll remember it as. And then it brings us into the Premiere Pro. I just call it like the dashboard. So there's a bunch of different panels here and screens to kind of be aware of that I'll go into more detail. But to start, we always need to import media to start. So I'm going to go down to my folder here, go to DCIM where my GoPro footage is. Going to search for an MP4 file because that's all the video files for GoPro. And then with that selected, you just kind of click and drag it into the import media to start section. So first you kind of, as you can see here, there's a little bit of a preview section which is really nice, so you know what kind of clip that is playing. So if you have a lot of footage, it's easier to kind of identify what clips are which. So now with that being said, we can finally start to go and edit it. So first you can go by double clicking on the clip that you want. So it brings it up in this panel here. As you could start by just hitting play, you could watch the whole thing, or you could grab a little keyframe here, just kind of go through it real fast, see what you like, see what you don't like. So let's say we want a part of this clip right here, so you could either hit this, which is mark in, or you could hit I on the keyboard and it marks it in. Let's say you want to go a few seconds here to that, you could either hit this mark out button here or hit O on the keyboard. So once you get the trimmed down clip that you want to put in your sequence, all you have to do is left click anywhere here in the picture and drag it down here and drop it in. And as you can see here, it's the only part of the footage that is in here is from the selected down clip from this left panel here. So then let's say we're moving on to the next clip. You just mark it in here, go until you're happy, mark it out, again left click, drop it in, drop it into the back, and a Premiere will kind of just suction cup it in for you. So then as you play it, it's a seamless transition from one clip to the other. So let's say you want to trim this clip, you don't like that the camera moves, so you can easily go back in and change that by left clicking, double left clicking on this. As you see, it brings you back into that first frame that we worked with. So you find the spot where you want it to end. You see right here the camera starts to move. Leave it there, go back a few keyframes by using the arrows on my keyboard. Right there it looks like it stops moving, and again you hit O on the keyboard, marks it out, and as you can see here it trims it automatically for you in your sequence, so there's no need to drag it and drop it again. Premiere automatically does that for you. So then obviously here, obviously we're just working with one video clip and one audio clip. In the future videos that I'm doing on the tutorials, we'll work with multiple clips. So don't have to worry too much about that now. And for the most part, that's about it for this first video. I'm going to save this so we keep working with the same footage for all the other videos. And as always, thank you for watching. Please comment, please like the video, please subscribe if you're new. And we will see you in the next Adobe Premiere tutorial.